All right, so all our hardware, our shoes, our wheel cylinders, all our brake components.
Wonderful.
Beautiful. We have a little seat. Look at that. You can see it. It's wet right there. Is the other side the same way?
Yep.
All right, so axle seals, which, you know, if we're going to replace this pinion seal, yeah, we got to probably pull the pumpkin anyway to do it correctly. So we will drain, fill, and drain, reseal, and fill.
Mm-hmm.
So we were talking about body work. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Looks great. And you get in here and it's okie dokie. And then you get in here and it's like somebody just decided to stop working, it appears. I know we were talking to Gary about undercoat and everything. When he comes in here in a little bit, we'll talk about this a little more. But yeah, there's some work to be done here. Oh my god. Hey Burnsy.
What is that?
That's the drain plug. Is this in upside down? No, can't be. Can't be. Can't be. No, I don't think it would be.
I don't think it is.
No. That's
That
just
makes no sense.
blows my mind. But yeah, this is why we need to do the exhaust tips, which is already on Gary's
Come back
list.
over here.
Okay, I'll be right there. What's up?
See where it's been leaking.
Oh, lovely. Fuel leak at the sending unit. That's typical of this era Ford product. Okay, sending unit fuel leak. Put that on the list. What else we got?
And that's pretty much it. Even being underneath, like I saw the pinion.
Yeah.
We already put that up there.
I mean, this isn't bad otherwise.
These pads are out a
The
little
shoes
too far.
are out a bit, yeah.
So trying to take the drums off, that's a little bit of fight.
So that needs to be adjusted, and then we got to adjust our parking brake cable. That doesn't seem like too big of a deal. The one other thing we need to do is I need to find him a little bit longer of a shift handle for the 5.
That's right.
But that's not too bad. Let's come up here to the front. Mr. Burns, would you like to do a wiggle, 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 yeah? Top and bottom? I mean, they're a little rusty, but they're nice.